Hey guys, little update on this. Sorry for the cut. This phone that I got has this activity zone button crap, which sucks. Anyway, go ahead and roll down the window. So, the clock screen for this has pretty much broken. Although my blinkers still work. But when I do this and turn like this, the blinkers don't automatically turn off. Okay, maybe it does it that way sometimes, but I gotta replace this whole entire assembly right here. Hang on. Had to clean the lens. But the other reason why I need to replace it is because of this. I flip my headlights on, brights stay on unless I do this. The other thing, my fog lights actually stay on now. So, and the other thing is, my airbag light has been on. It's because I don't think I have it right now on me, but the plug for it had actually snapped out from the harness. So this is the plug for the airbag light. And while I'm at it, since I have to remove the steering wheel anyway to replace this whole entire unit right here, I'm gonna get some aftermarket steering wheel and a short hub adapter, in which I'll be hopping on my computer to show you guys. So I'll be back. All right, guys. So the things I've ordered, this is already showing. I bought this first. This is a Tanaka decked out edition 350mm deep dish 6-bullet PU carbon fiber steering wheel. Universal, uses the Momo style pattern, but altogether, including taxing and all that, it's $39.80. And the fact that it's 350 meters, in which, actually I could just open up a new tab. 350 millimeter 2 inches, which I think equates to 13.78 inches roughly. Yep. And the stock steering wheel is 15 inches, so it'll be a 1.22 inches shorter, which will equate to me fitting my car better. So let's go to Kia steering. And the other part I need will be this. The NRG Innovations SRK-160H hub adapter for Mazdas. But according to them, and according to the website, it will fit on my car for all years. So this is the compatibility. Hyundai Accent, Hyundai Genesis, Tiburon, Kia Forte, Kia Optima, Kia Rio, Kia Rondo, Kia Spectra, Mazda 626, Mazda Miata N8 and 8B, Mazda Protege, Mazda RX-7, Mazda RX-8, Mazda MX-3, and Mazda MX-6. But this is what I need in order to adapt it to the steering wheel I bought, which is also a 6-bolt pattern, Momo style. So between that with the steering wheel, which is 3 inches deep, which is exactly what I need, it'll be good. I mean, on top of what I already need, which is rockauto.com. Let's go ahead and look it up real quick. Blinker switch, which is pretty much going to be the whole unit right here. And this is what I need to pretty much this whole entire unit with the clock spring. And the other thing I need to get, because my horn don't exactly work, so let's go ahead and exit out of there. Use this. And the whole horn available for my car on Rock Auto is a hello horn, which pretty much is on trumpet horn. But oh well, just what I need for my car. And I looked at the plug. The plug is this exact same. So anyway, thank you guys for watching on this little update video of my Kia. So have a good day.